Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you an after dark power hour clean with me, but I'm also going to be including my dinner as well into this hour. So I've already gotten home from work, I've already got my pajamas on, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. So if you guys are ready for some quick instant cleaning motivation, then this is the video for you. Just keep watching and we'll get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my timer started on my phone, and like I mentioned, I will be doing dinner in this hour too. So I wanted to start in the kitchen, that way I had a clean space to start cooking, and I'll be going back and forth in between my cleaning and prepping for dinner. So I like to go ahead and try to get as much done in an hour that I can. You guys know that I work during the week and I don't really want to take all the time that I have in the evening cleaning. So I just like to take these hours and just see what all I can get done. That way my house is, settled and cleaned for the night, and when I get up in the morning, everything is straight, and it just takes a lot of anxiety off of me. But I'm going to be making $1 million spaghetti tonight. If you guys have never had that, you've got to try it. If you have done it before, let me know in the comments and let me know what you think about it. It's just so decadent and rich and yummy and creamy, and I just love it. We all love it in this house, so I decided I would do that for dinner tonight. But I'm going to go ahead and get this kitchen cleaned up, and then I'm going to get right back into letting you know how to make that $1 million spaghetti.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels
now that I'm about done with the kitchen, I'll move on into the living room and get that straightened up. I'm not going to do a bunch of heavy cleaning, but I will pick everything up out of the floor, straighten up the couch, and get everything vacuumed.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. The sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky, oh no, like I'm sudden but unsteady, oh no. And they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
So I was doing pretty well on time, and I decided to go ahead and get the bedroom straightened up and get my bed made. It is later on in the evening, and you guys know that I don't make my bed first thing in the morning. It is just way too early for all of that when I'm getting up to go to work. But I do like to get in bed when it's nicely made and it's all nice and clean. And I think I shared with you guys in one of my last videos the Casaluna linen spray from Target. That stuff smells so good, and I have not gone to bed without spraying that ever since I bought it.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the spaghetti, and all you're going to need is 8 ounces of packaged spaghetti, 1 pound of ground beef, 16 ounces of spaghetti sauce, 1/2 cup of butter sliced, which is just 1 stick of butter. You'll need 8 ounces of cottage cheese, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 8 ounces of shredded cheese. And you can use sharp or mild. It's really just up to whatever you prefer. So what you're going to do is get your noodles boiled. You're going to make your sauce like you would any other spaghetti sauce. Then you're going to place half of the slices of butter onto the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. You'll spread the spaghetti on top of that. Then you're going to mix the cottage cheese, cream cheese, and sour cream together, and then you'll spread that over your spaghetti. And then you'll just layer the remaining spaghetti over that mixture and then top with the other pats of butter. Then you will pour the ground beef over top and then spread all over that casserole. You'll bake that in a preheated oven for 30 minutes, and then you will spread the shredded cheese over top and then let that go until it's just brown and bubbly. And it is absolutely amazing. You guys, I could eat this entire pan. The only thing that I didn't have time to do before my timer went off was wait for the spaghetti to come out of the oven and bake my bread, but that only took an extra 5 minutes.
Can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
So while that was baking, I decided to go ahead and clean up the rest of the kitchen. Anything that I used to make dinner, I just loaded into the dishwasher. That way I could start it, and that all would be cleaning in the middle of the night, and I wouldn't have to worry about it. All I would have to do was just unload it all the next day.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out.
So this is how the spaghetti looks once it comes out of the oven. Like I said, you guys, this stuff is amazing. Let me know if you decide to try it. But the rest of the house is all clean. We are ready to go to bed. We've had our dinner, and I just love taking this time to get stuff done during the middle of the week and not having to take so much time to get everything clean. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. And as always, I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time.